Okay, so in this video we're going to start updating the user interface. We don't have everything in place yet, since we don't have like a score counter or level counter or anything, but we'll update the missiles left for the player, and we'll make methods that will update the others as we get there. Okay, let's go back to Unity. And since we have everything on game controller, we're going to do it here already. So to access TextMesh Pro, we need to add TM Pro. And once that's in there, we will add, I believe it's, I always forget what it's actually called. I don't use TextMesh Pro nearly as much as I should, but I'm going to start trying to change that. So, okay, so we'll do my score text, and we'll copy that, do my level text, and then one more, and we will do my missiles left. And we can always rename that to make more sense later if we do end up adding a counter for the enemy missiles, how many are left, but I don't think we'll end up doing that. Okay, so before we forget, let's go to Unity. As soon as this recompiles, let's drag these in here. So score, level, and missiles left. Okay, so they're linked up. So in start, let's just set them so we can do my score text.text equals score plus my plus score. Okay, and then same thing, my level text. Oops. Plus level. And my missiles left dot text equals missiles left. Okay, let's just test this out quick before we continue. Okay, it looks good, so it actually updated. Okay, so we don't actually have a score level manager yet, but we do have the missiles, which we update on the cursor controller. So what we can do, since we're subtracting the missiles on here, we don't want to update it every frame. We only want to update it when there's a change. So let's make a public method. We'll call this update missiles left text. And we can put this whole line right in here. And since we're doing that, we can actually just replace this line. And this way, if we make any changes to this in the future, we don't have to do it in multiple places. It's just in the one. Okay, so we have that. And then we'll have to actually call this in the cursor controller. So every time we subtract one, let's do update missiles left. So that should, I believe, have everything that this works. Okay, there we go. So that's working. And we don't have it in place, but we might as well make the methods right now that do the same thing except for the others. So let's do update score text. Then we'll cut this. And we'll do the level. Okay, so let's make sure we didn't break anything. Okay, that's counting down. We have those, so that'll be good for this video. And yeah, we'll keep going to the next ones, but right now we have our UI set up and we can call that from anywhere on the game controller to update those. So everything's coming along pretty well here.